What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you watched the other video on the leveling kit, I'm filming this one right after. Still big old shadow there, but I had a mishap with the truck. So long story short, this happened. You look at this monstrosity that I rigged up going on here. Good lord, that's ugly as hell. So anyway, obviously I use this truck for work. I work at a ranch, got to tow things, not a whole lot, but more often than not, I do use this vehicle to tow. And man, this was a big old mistake right here. So we're in the process of moving our horses. Obviously this can't tow a horse trailer, but I was pulling a water trough, 2 water troughs in the back, and a little utility trailer, you know, not even a big trailer, with some other stuff on it. And to fit those water troughs back here, it's getting stuck on the tonneau cover, you know, as this smacks into it. Oh dang. That is so close. Anyway, water troughs back here. In order to fit with the tonneau cover on, I had to have the tailgate down, right? So riding like this, water troughs ratchet strapped on, and that trailer obviously was not set up like this with that hitch. This was flipped around, 2-inch ball on its lowest setting. So this was upside down and, you know, way down here to make it level. Anyway, that trailer was sitting about here, you know, had the big old crank to lower and raise the arm on it, and it sat, you know, about that much below the tailgate and kind of to the outside. So I didn't think it was a big issue. So, you know, there I am cruising along some dirt roads with the trailer. You know, it's sitting, obviously it was super close since it just got the top. Sitting right there, started hitting some bumps on the dirt, and I hear a noise. I was like, oh, you know, probably just something loose in the tailgate. Nope, that crank on the trailer got wedged up underneath the tailgate, and obviously since there was water troughs on there, couldn't move, couldn't do anything, and just started smacking the shit out of it. So, I mean, what are you gonna do? Obviously use the truck for work. You know, it doesn't hinder the use of my truck at all. Everything still works clearly. You know, good thing it didn't hit the cameras or whatnot, but that is, it's a fairly sized dent. Obviously it's pretty ugly too. So that is getting fixed. Luckily that's through insurance, through my work. But this tailgate right here, $1,700 for a freaking tailgate. You know, I took it to a bunch of body shops. These are aluminum, I didn't know that. So this is aluminum. You know, some shops were like, oh, you know, we can take this out, you know, pound that out, put some Bondo on it. I said, I don't want Bondo on my tailgate, it's gonna crack. Give me a new one. So they ordered the shell, which is just the metal part, nothing in it, and that's $755 from GM. You know, then they have to order an RST badge, a Silverado badge. I might convince them to get a high country badge just to be an idiot. Totally kidding, I won't do that. Badges, they are gonna take, you know, this whole assembly from this tailgate since it's fine. You know, they'll take all of this stuff, you know, pretty much everything from this tailgate except for the metal frame of it, metal shell. So anyway, $755 for the metal part. You know, I think it's $30 or something for the badges, $80 for that plastic trim up here on the top, this part, and then whatever else for labor and paint. It comes out to $1,700 for a new tailgate on this truck, and I think that is ridiculous. Buddies, and it's like, you know, it's a pickup truck. It's gonna happen, especially since I use it for work. If that hadn't been covered through my job, I probably wouldn't get it fixed until I went to sell the truck, because, you know, it's a truck. It's meant to do this shit. And I was towing a trailer with it. It happened when I was using it for work. But I was talking to my buddy. It's like a $60,000 truck as a work truck just doesn't work, man. You know, $2,000 for a tailgate. He said his girlfriend just bought a car for $2,000. It's like a tailgate. It's one part of it. But anyway, things are just expensive as hell these days. You know, my silver truck was definitely a lot shittier than this, but I couldn't tow with it, otherwise it would blow up. So, you know, I went out, I got a new truck. It's a nice truck, I love it. I do use it for work. Things are gonna happen, but I mean, 60 grand for a pickup truck. You know, you could probably get a work truck model for about 35, but still. 2 grand for a tailgate. Anyway, that's this video. I just want to show you all my big old mess up here with my trailer. And then once again, just this absolute monstrosity of a hitch going on right now. So I'll keep you all updated on that. I'm pretty sure I can just take it to a body shop. They'll pull the tailgate off. I can keep the truck and drive around in it. They'll paint match, move all that stuff over, and then should be good to go. But anyway, leveling kit video coming soon as that gets put on. What else is going on with the truck? Probably pull those mud flaps off. You got to order, apparently there's little holes that end up right there, so you got to order paint match things, so I'll do that. But yeah, little update for y'all. Turning into winter out here in Colorado. I freaking hate it. But thanks for watching, y'all. Almost to 200 subscribers, which is really sick. So if you like these videos, share them with your friends, subscribe if you're seeing it. I really appreciate it. It seems like hard work is kind of starting to pay off. So we'll catch y'all in the next one. Y'all have any questions or comments about the truck, please let me know.